Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. On this occasion, Nisma Viro, will present the result of my research entitled "The Influence of E-commerce Transaction is to Digital Payment on Consumptive Behavior of FKIP UPS Tegal Student." Introduction. The development of technology in the economic sector has made e-commerce the main alternative for online shopping, supported by the use of the internet. Students as the digital generation quickly adapt to e-commerce because it offers convenience, flexibility, and various attractive promotion. The ease of e-commerce transaction is supported by digital payment systems that are practical, fast, and secure, making students more likely to conduct online transactions. The convenience of e-commerce and digital payment encourages consumptive behavior among students, thus requiring awareness, financial literacy, and proper planning so that they can shop wisely. Next, theoretical review. E-commerce refers to business transaction activities conducted online through the internet network. The e-commerce variable in this study employs the technology acceptance model to analyze the level of acceptance of new technology. Digital payment, also known as electronic payment, is an innovation that has emerged as a result of technological development in transaction systems using digital media, characterized by the use of digital money. The digital payment variable in this study employs the unified theory of acceptance and use of technology to analyze the acceptance and continuous use of new technology. Consumptive behavior is defined as an individual's habit of excessively purchasing goods or services without considering primary needs, which can result in an uncontrolled spending pattern. The consumptive behavior variable in this study implies the theory of planned behavior to identify the factor influencing consumptive behavior. Next, methodology. In this study, a quantitative approach and correlational method. The population in this study consists of active students of FKIP UPS Tegal from the 221, 222, 223, and 224. Thus, the total population is 767 students from 7 study programs. The technique used to calculate the sample was proportional random sampling. The sampling size was determined using the Slovene formula, resulting in a total of 88 students. The data collection technique used in this study are observation, interview, questionnaire, and documentation. The data analysis technique used in this study are descriptive analysis, simple linear regression analysis, hypothesis testing, t-test, f-test, and Sobel test. Next, research. Number 1. The influence of e-commerce on consumptive behavior. The research shown that e-commerce has a positive and significant effect on consumptive behavior with a T account greater than T table and a significance less than 0.05. Thus, H1 is accepted. Number 2. The influence of e-commerce on digital payment. The research results show that e-commerce has a positive and significant effect on digital payment with a T account greater than T table and a significant less than 0.05. Thus, H2 is accepted. Number 3. The influence of digital payment of consumptive behavior. The research results show that digital payment has a positive and significant effect on consumptive behavior with a T account greater than T table and a significance less than 0.05. Thus, H3 is accepted. Number 4. The influence of e-commerce through digital payment on consumptive behavior. The research results are supported by a regression test which show that e-commerce influences the use of digital payment, and digital payment significantly mediates this influence on consumptive behavior. Furthermore, the Sobel test was conducted producing a Z greater than 1.96 with a significant less than 0.05, thus A4 is accepted. Conclusion. Number one, e-commerce has a positive and significant effect on the consumptive behavior of FKIP UPS Tegal student. Number two, e-commerce has a positive and significant effect on digital payment. Number three, digital payment has a positive and significant effect on the consumptive behavior of FKIP UPS Tegal student. Number four, e-commerce through digital payment has a positive and significant effect on the consumptive behavior of FKIP UPS Tegal students. That concludes my presentation regarding the content of my research. Thank you very much. I apologize for any mistakes during this presentation. I will end my presentation today. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.